it's Thursday. My hair is the hair to go in the bar. Thirsty Thursday. Thirsty Thursday. Thumbs up if you know what Thirsty Thursday is. Okay, so for the mini twist, I'm going to show you what you're going to need. Then I'm just going to show you how to do the style. So this is my hair taken out of the ponytail. Now I'm going to moisturize it. Always want to make sure your hair is properly moisturized. Now I have a mirror right here and I have a mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take these down too. So with mini twist, it is a great protective style for if you're on the go, if you're just like need a protective style and just want your hair out the way. Like, it's a great style. Like, you properly maintain your mini twist throughout the week. Now, like I said, you can wear this for like however long you want, but if you want to see optimum results, you want to at least wear these mini twists for at least 2 weeks. If you want to see even better results, I'll say you could wear it for a month. You could wear it for a month. So things you'll need, you're gonna need a spray bottle with water in it. Water is gonna be your best friend. Use a leave-in. This is the Cantu lotion. This is not the original one. Then I have my homemade shea butter. I've had this thing for the longest time, freaking time. Okay, so you're gonna want to do what I'm about to show you every 4 to 3 days. Well, that's me personally. I personally have 4C high porosity hair, so a lot of thick butters and stuff work really well. So first, we're gonna take our water and we're just going to spray. You don't want your hair like, you want to make sure that it's not like drenched, but you want to make sure that it's like saturated really well. Okay, and you want to make sure you get every strand. So now we take our Cantu leave-in lotion or any moisturizer of your choosing. You take your sealant, which would be my shea butter. Take a little bit on your hands. That should be enough for that one section. You rub your hands together. Make sure you get them ends, girl. Make sure you get them ends. Whew. Yes, my hair already feels so like so good and so like moisturized. Yes. So guys, that's all you really would do. Like, I mean, it's that's it. So I would just take this section. Let me just repeat. So guys, I mean, that's literally it. You know, I have a video on like how to take your mini twist to the next level. Like I said, you should go check that out. If you like this video, give it a like.